back again here at your work. For this time, I want to explain briefly about programming tools, especially those that are widely used as a web design process. So let's just go ahead. What is a Visual Studio Code, or we call it VSC? Come on. The first discussion, if we look at it from the side of understand. Visual Studio Code is a source code editor that can be used for various programming languages, including Java, JavaScript, Go, Node.js, Python, and C++. Visual Studio Code employs the same editing component, codenamed Monaco. They are used in Azure DevOps, or originally called Visual Studio Online and Visual Studio Team Service. So then what are the features provided in Visual Studio Code? VSC itself provides features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, code excerpt, code refactoring, standardization, and Git. If you want to know a brief history of VSC itself, first introduced on April 29, 2015 by Microsoft at the Pool 2015 conference. A preview version was released shortly after. Visual Studio Code is built using the Node.js web application and the Electron framework. It has some drawbacks such as excessive RAM usage, considering that Visual Studio Code runs on the Electron framework, which relies heavily on the Chrome web browser. Most visuals features are not exposed via menu or user interface, but can be accessed via the command palette or better known as extension. Then what are the extensions? So next we will discuss 5 recommended extensions for VCS itself. That one is the 5 one, just explain. The first, Wakatime. Wakatime, that's the name. The extension keep track of our coding activities, how much time we spend coding and what language we use frequently and how many projects we have completed while using Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. This extension helps us with artificial intelligence, assisted intelligence which can suggest our further code from the code we have written. Number 3. Live Server. This is the extension we have been waiting for. We don't need to press the reload button repeatedly for every change we make in our project. Very helpful, right? The live server function itself is used as a medium for displaying the result of the reload on the project that we designed. Number 4. Path Intelligence. We will always need this extension because it's very helpful and useful in terms of importing dependencies, inserting image into the document, linking JavaScript or CSS file, and all things related to file path. And the last, number 5, prettier. The main problem when coding is indentation, which even though technically only effect. What's Python but when writing code using the correct indent it will really help you? Neither. And of course, prettier, right? Yes, right.